kindergartners are in Piaget's pre-operational stage of cognitive development. This activity is a structured learning activity. I chose this experience for Brianna and gave some direction for her actions in accordance to Vygotsky's theory regarding the zone of proximal development.
For this lesson, we are going to be studying the five senses, and we will be talking about, do you know what the five senses are, Brianna? Let's see if you, what does this do? The nose. Smells. And your eyes. They see. What do your ears do?
Listen.
They do. And what does your mouth do? It tastes, right? And what do your fingers do? They touch, right? They feel things. But that's what we're going to talk about today, the five senses. And to introduce the subject, we're going to read My Five Senses by Aliki. Have you ever read this book before? We're going to read. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. It says, I can see with my eyes. See right here. See your eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. You see his nose right there? Yours? Okay. I can taste with my tongue. I can touch with my fingers. I do all this with my senses. I have five senses. Wherever I go, whatever I do, every minute of the day, my senses are working. They make me aware. Do you know what sense you were using when I was reading the story to you? You were looking at the pictures, right? And you were listening to what I was reading, right? Do you remember how many senses there are? How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 senses, right? Okay, now we're going to do an activity using all of our senses, okay? What sense are you using right now? Are you listening? If you didn't know what it was, could you guess by listening? Close your eyes and put your hand in here and just feel. Don't pull one out. Do you feel? Is it like in a little circle? Yeah? Okay, keep your eyes closed and pull one out. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Your eyes. Can you smell? What does it smell like? Play-Doh? You think so? You can open your eyes.
Play-Doh.
It is Play-Doh. And then our last sense for Play-Doh, you can touch it. You want to touch it? Yeah, you can squish it. You can squish it with both hands if you want to. See? See how you can taste? You can't taste it, but you can touch it, right? So for this activity, we used all of our senses. First, we listened to find out what it was, right? And then we touched to see what it was. And then we smelled to see what it smelled like, right?
It smells like Play-Doh.
And it smelled like Play-Doh. And then we opened our eyes and we could see what it was, right? What's the only thing that we didn't use for this activity? Taste it, right? Because Play-Doh might taste a little bit funny, right? Little activity. Right on top of that. Okay. And this one says seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. What is this right here?
Tasting.
tasting. So then, what color would you like to use? Just pick one. You can take it out, Mama. Okay. So then you're going to draw a line from the mouth. This one says tasting. Can you draw a line connecting both of them? Okay, go ahead. Draw a line from the mouth to tasting. See? Now what does the nose do?
Smells.
Smells. So we're going to connect the nose to smelling. Can you draw a little line there? From here to here. To here. There you go.
Scaffolding is a key component in this stage. Piaget noted that children in this stage do not yet understand concrete logic and cannot mentally manipulate information. Therefore, I have provided the guidance to complete the worksheet.
They see. And the first word is seeing. Go ahead and connect it. Up here. There you go. And what do the hands do?
Touch.
They touch. You see how the touching starts with a T? Touching. Okay, you can connect them. And this is an ear. And what does an ear do? What can you do with your ear?
Listen.
Listen. You can hear. Right here, you can connect it right there. See? So how many senses did we say there were? Can we count them?
Taste.
Let's count them. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's 5 senses, right? And can you tell me what they are again?
Taste. Smelling. Seeing. Touching. Hearing.
That's right. Good job.